This is the Map Skills quiz. Directions: use the state map in the resource area to answer these questions. And remember, if you need to stop to answer the question, you can hit pause. Number 1, what is the name of our state? Write it on this line. Number 2, why is Tallahassee written in all capital letters on the map? A, it is where we live. B, it is the capital of Florida. C, it is the capital of Texas. Number 3, how do you get to Tallahassee from Zephyrhills? A, travel north, then west. B, travel south, then east. C, travel east, then north. Number 4, what is the closest large body of water to Zephyrhills? A, Pacific Ocean. B, Atlantic Ocean. C, Gulf of Mexico. Number 5, to get to Georgia or Alabama from Florida, you must travel A, south. B, north. C, east. Number 6, what is the name of the national park in South Florida? Write your answer on these lines.